Welcome to Car By Me with Cameron, where I give you tips to personalize any model to your taste.
Welcome back. Today we're talking about the 2022 Chevy Trailblazer LT that was debuted at SEMA. Probably the most impressive thing about the SEMA build was the C-sucker mounts, if I do say so myself. The C-sucker mounts definitely deserve a little more attention and some extra explanation because they're incredible. So the C-sucker mounts use a vacuum mounting technology, which is not permanent, so you don't have to use any kind of drilling or anything like that to get this incredibly strong grip to haul whatever it is wherever you want to go. So you use a pump to actually mount the rack, and then you can disassemble it for maintenance. And there's a built-in lift tab so you can detach it when you need to. And there's also a power indicator that tells you when to repump. If you use one of these, tell me more. I'm highly interested. All this equipment is not going anywhere, although it is slightly ridiculous. I love the IntelliBeam, which is a GM technology, but you'll see the same thing used in other brands just under a different name, like automated high beam or high beam assist. With IntelliBeam, if you're on a very dark road, it will switch automatically to your bright lights, but if it senses another vehicle coming, it'll switch down to your low lights completely automatically. It's fabulous. It does come with a few cool features: remote start, heated cloth seats, but honestly, it leaves a few things to be desired. There's plenty you can do with accessories here. It's a relatively basic vehicle as far as accessories go in order to keep that price point down. Obviously, upgrade to heated and cooled leather seats, step one. You can also do all-weather mats, add a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel to this vehicle. That might be a little bit bougie, especially for a Trailblazer. There's some aesthetics like a blackout package that's available, and you can also do some safety upgrades. So there's rear parking assist and lane change assist that you can add on. You do have the ability to upgrade the wheels to 18-inch aluminum wheels. 17-inch comes standard. Not super impressive, but yeah, you can do it. You need to add splash guards. I have no idea why these don't come standard. If you're taking a kayak and a bike and going ice hiking or whatever it is you're doing with all those mounts, then you for sure need some splash guards. This one has a manual liftgate, but you can upgrade to a hands-free automatic liftgate. Also, surprisingly, does not come with any kind of trailer hitch or hitch package at all. This one honestly took a good bit of hate on TikTok. I think it was the halogen lights that took people out, but I really just don't know what the big deal is. Nobody's buying a Chevy Trailblazer for the impeccable lighting, right? So tell me what you think if you're part of the Trailblazer family or if you're upgrading to the 2022 down below.